fun over here. Honey, how will I know? I think she will be wearing Kayali eating juicy apple. Ooh, what y'all think? Okay, number one. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Amber coming to you with the Frag, coming to you with another video review, and today we are going to talk about something I was inspired by, which was I Want to Dance with Somebody. Yes, the Whitney Houston. Honey, saw the movie, and I just thought we would just talk about some fragrances on top of a little bit talking about the movie. Okay, so if you're interested in hearing some of my thoughts on what I think she would be wearing, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you are new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but it's okay. Just subscribe. Give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you, family. And hey, family, hey. How have you all been doing? Again, Happy New Year. Happy New Year, okay? Well, I hope you all want to have some fun with me today. And, you know, hit me up in the comment section, okay? We are going to get into I Want to Dance with Somebody. Have y'all seen the movie? Oh, my goodness. We are going to get into what I think that Whitney Houston would be wearing in some of the scenes or with some of the music, the songs, okay? And if you all have not seen the movie, I would encourage you to. I was like, oh, this is going to be another Whitney story, but I really enjoyed it. I was surprised, and I love Whitney, so if you're a Whitney fan, you would love this movie. To me, it celebrated her life. You know, it just didn't put me all in the down stages of all the downfalls that happened. It really celebrated her life, her music, just all the things, and I really enjoyed it. I encourage you, if I can talk, I encourage you to go ahead and see it, honey. Go ahead and help yourself and just have a ball, a good old time. But anyway, let's get into it. I was inspired by the movie, and I wanted to kind of do a little game, and hopefully you all kind of play with me. And if you all are a fan of her music, or if you know some of her music, you know, comment down below. Put a song and what you would think she would be wearing with the song, okay? So I'm going to do some things. So, what Whitney Houston would be wearing, fragrance style, okay? First, I'm going to be talking about Home. When she sang on the Merv Griffin show, and she had that ruffled purple blouse and just really, you know, subtle but glamorous for her kind of first appearance on, you know, TV network or, you know, late night show or whatever it was. But she sang Home. When I think of home, she sang Home. Now, y'all, I ain't no Whitney singer. Okay, I'm a dabble a little bit, because I like to sing, you know, but I'm one of them, I ain't a singer, okay, but I like to dabble.
I sit by myself. Can you hear me? Like, I'm talking, right? Like, I know I hear me. I sit by myself, just self, not self. Don't do all that bullshit, just self.
Okay, yeah, okay. All right. Anyway, so I would think singing Home, Whitney Houston would be wearing Hauts of Sillage, Hauts Bijoux. What y'all think? Ooh, what y'all think? Okay, so let's get into some of the notes. So this has top notes, mango, blackcurrant, and grapefruit. Middle notes, iris. Base notes, heliotrope, vanilla, and cedar. Okay. When I saw Whitney come out, and I loved, now look, I might mention some of the things in the movie. I'm not trying to give it all away, so I might mention some dabbles, okay? So if you like, sis, I don't want to hear none of it, this might not be the video. I mean, I would love you to stay, but I'm a dabble a little bit. I'm not going to give it all away because I really want you all to see it. Anyway, I love the part where her mom comes in and is like mama bear, like, let's get it. You'll know what I'm talking about when you see it. Okay. Anyway, I would think when she is singing Home, her first step out, for the world to see her, I would think she'd be wearing some Hauts of Sillage, Hauts, Bijoux, This is a stepper out. This is like a fruity, but, like still making a powerful impact. You know what I'm saying? Without saying nothing. Say, she stepped up to that mic and she was all timid at first. And then it was like, she here. She came and slayed and did what she had to do. Okay? So I would think Home, she would be wearing Hauts of Sillage, Haute Bijoux. Okay? Moving on. Next up, of course, I had to talk about what the movie title is. I Want to Dance with Somebody. Oh, I want to dance with somebody. I want to feel the heat. Oh, I want to dance with somebody. Okay, now, I would think, because that gave me, when I looked at the music video, what she did, she gave me like crimps and big hair, and it was just like, dancers and just a vibe and fun, right? Honey, I would think for something like that, I have two because I was going back and forth. I'm not gonna lie, I was going back and forth. But I think like Bath and Body Works, bubble gum pop. What y'all think? Like, a little fun, a little bubble gum, a little pop. I think she would wear this for that music video. Just a little fun, vibe, okay? I was thinking that. And then I was also thinking, what y'all think? I was thinking Gucci Flora, because that gives me fun vibes too, okay? And this has white gardenia, jasmine, and pear blossom, okay? So a little pear, a little fruit, a little floral. I think she might even layer them. Ooh, what this mean? Ooh. She might even layer them, okay? I'm cool with her layering them too. I want to dance with somebody. I think that she would be wearing this in that video, okay? Moving on. Next up, what about, honey? Oh, it just gave me all the things. How will I know if he really loves? Y'all know I'm about to have fun. If you did not come to have a good time, this might not be the family for you. We have funds over here. We have funds over here. I said it. We have fun over here. Honey, how will I know? I think she will be wearing Kayali eating juicy apple. Ooh, what y'all think? Okay, number one hit, number one. It took them one time. Yeah, honey, the bottle, yeah, I know. Fingerprints. Whatever. But honey, this gives me real like fruity fun again. She had the the big gray silver bow, the fitted dress. Okay. So let me give you some of the notes. So we have top notes: red apple, lychee, black currant, pink grapefruit. Middle notes: wild berry, raspberry bloom, jasmine, May rose. Base notes: sugar, musk, vanilla flower, moss, and amber. So she gave me fun, very pop, very vibrant vibes, okay? What else? Oh, yeah, the video had a lot of color. I wrote some of my notes down, honey. Okay, so the video had a lot of color. Like, they had the dancers that had the all black on. They were doing the, the trails and the thing. I loved it. Actually, I love that song. So, to me, Whitney would definitely be wearing Kayali eating juicy apple. What y'all think? Moving on. All right. It is 1991. And Whitney said, I don't want to wear no dress this time. I want to wear a tracksuit. I want to be me. Let me be me. Tracksuit, red stripes, okay? I want to be me. And what am I talking about? The Star Spangled Banner. Guilty. They're guilty. Who's saying something? Who's saying something? She killed it, okay? And to me, she would be wearing a layering combination. Honey, okay, this is what I'm thinking in my concoction. Not in my concoction. This is what I'm thinking in my head. She will be wearing Clean Reserve Skin. Okay, that musk. And then, to top it off, she will be wearing a Liquid's Imaginaires Blanche Bete. What y'all think? She will come with musk, but milky and sexy and a mystical note because she's about to hit that note. Honey, I think she would be wearing this for a layering combination. Let's get into some of the notes. So, Clean Reserve has praline, musk, salt, tonka bean, and leather. Okay? Blanche Bete, we have milk, mystical note, we have amberette, we have tuberose, jasmine, vanilla, musk, and tonka bean. Honey, these combined definitely gave me Star Spangled Banner because it gives me like tracksuit, you know, little lounge back, musk, but it also gave me like for the things, for the Super Bowl, where, you know, for the experience, why we came, the event of the all events, you know, it would definitely give me Blanche Bete coming with the events, okay? Yeah, Whitney would definitely be wearing this layering combination, singing the Star Spangled Banner, okay? Moving on. All right, next up, we got to talk about it. Ooh, we got to talk about, sis. The Bodyguard. I Will Always Love You. You knew that was going to be on my list. I Will Always Love You. Come on. I mean, they didn't give you Queen of the Night. I'm the Queen of the... I mean, that's not on this list. But still, I can go on for days. But anyway, I Will Always Love You. I would have to go with Fragrance du Bois Cavort. I know y'all tired of me talking about it, but honey, I will always love it. And this will give me I Will Always Love You Whitney Houston vibes. That's what she be wearing in the Bodyguard. Singing the song. Sitting in the chair. Snow. Black. All of that. Okay? That's what it gives me. Let's go over some of the notes. We have warm, spicy, saffron, davana, cinnamon, orange blossom, incense, and patchouli. Honey, this is I Will Always Love You. She will be wearing this, singing that song. What y'all think? Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. What else will Whitney be wearing for some of these songs? Let your sis know, okay? Play along. Let me know what you think. But it gives me very bougie, but like, you know, bougie, diva, just all the things. Like, the body, you're guarding my body? Okay. But yes, this gives me Cavort. Definitely. Fragrance du Bois would definitely be a Whitney vibe for I Will Always Love You. Moving on. What do y'all think about 1994, the American Music Awards? Okay? Honey, when she did the medley... Honey, she had some I Am Telling You. She had all types of songs up in that one, okay? Because it was a medley. I took the top off. I would think she would be wearing Navitus Parfums. This is Absolutio, okay? I would think definitely she would be wearing this because this gives me unisex vibes. You know, I feel like a medley, just a medley of things. You know, unisex, feminine, like just the combination of it. Ooh, yes. She had that black dress, that train on the back. She be wearing this. Let's get into some of the notes. We have apple, toffee, ambergris, oak moss, cinnamon, caramel, saffron, almond, musk, honey, all the things. Honey, I would highly recommend that you get your hands on this from Navitus Parfums. So good. But that saffron, it just gives me a medley type of fabulousness, okay? And I believe Whitney would be wearing this, okay? Moving on. And last, but certainly not least, one that was a tear jerker, emotionally got me, is when she came on Oprah and sang, "I didn't know my own strength." Honey, like, when you watch the movie and just to think of like all the steps that she's been through and then getting to that moment of I didn't know my own strength and trying to get back into things. Wow. Like that really hit me really tough. Like, because sometimes we don't know our own strength, right? We figure like, oh, we're going to break, we're going to crash, or people think that we're going to break and crash. And like, no, we come back. It might not be the path that people want us on or the norm path, right? But we fall to the bottom. But man, you know, to me, like you fall to the bottom, you just got one way to go. If you at the bottom, you're going up, right? And her story did not end in a fairy tale, but honey, she lived a life, okay? And touched many, right? And we don't all get to touch many people in our lifetime. And she was one that did it with her voice, you know? But didn't know my own strength. I would say she would be wearing Initio Absolute Aphrodisiac. Okay, and I say it because I feel like this is such a beautiful vanilla, and it's like a mysterious vanilla. It doesn't give you like straight out, oh, here's vanilla. It gives you like sexy, like it just walks up on you like, wow. You know, it gives you that wow factor, but you didn't know your own strength. Like, I think that Whitney would be wearing this, singing that song. Let's get into some of the notes. So we have white flower, amber, vanilla musk, and castoreum. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. If not, try. Okay. Anyway, honey, I think, didn't know my own strength, she would definitely be wearing Initio Absolute Aphrodisiac. This is a beautiful vanilla fragrance, okay? And, yes. When I smell it, it reminds me of just that song and looking at the movie and just the whole experience of that part in the movie. Yeah, she definitely would be wearing this. Okay. Well, that's all, family. That is all. This is my celebration of I Want to Dance with Somebody. I hope you all get to see the movie if you haven't seen it yet. If you have, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And any Whitney Houston fans out there, honey, I know you've already seen it. So just let me know your thoughts at the bottom, what you think she would be wearing. Okay, let's chat it up. And make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Make sure you give me the thumbs up on this video. If you want to get some of this more like content, like what someone would wear or a movie or music, you know, I love all of it. So give me the thumbs up so other people can see this video and, you know, love it, subscribe, and join the family because we are bomb.com. I'm going to keep saying it. It's old, but I'm going to keep saying it. But until next time, family, you all be good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, your sis just did. Bye, family. Love you. Bye.